Do you consider yourself emotionally mature? I'm definitely always shooting for it, but I don't always hit the mark. So I wanted to talk about some facets of emotional maturity so that we can begin to learn what it is and how we can get more out of it from our lives. One of the hallmarks of emotional maturity is the ability to separate the emotion that you're feeling, the body feeling of that emotion, from any actions that you take afterwards. This is most easily understood when you think about the emotion of anger. Anger is a very activating emotion, so it's really important that you separate the body feeling of that emotion from the actions that may result from feeling that emotion. And in fact, you may not want to have any action at all. This space between feeling the emotion and having a reaction, the more of a pause that you have between these two things is a hallmark of emotional maturity. The ability to regulate your actions, especially after feeling a very activating emotion, is a sign of emotional maturity. So, how do you actually create the space, or how do you make it even wider so that you have a better handle on how you want to act in your life in response to that kind of a difficult emotion? Well, this is one of the things that mindfulness meditation does a great job to help you with. The more that you can learn to focus your attention on the interior of yourself for a sustained period of time, that practice will begin to give you more and more pause once you're feeling those difficult emotions. And you don't have to meditate for an hour. You can do simple mindfulness practices that maybe take 5 minutes or less. But the most important thing is that you're directing your attention. You are in charge of your inner attention, and you're doing it consistently.